Hey everybody, this is Brad from ShadowTrader.net, and I want to give you a new trade idea in the ShadowTrader short video. JD. So we're taking a deep dive in the East. Of course, this is a Chinese internet play, JD.com, and they just came out with earnings. And this kind of chart pattern would interest me, regardless if it didn't have a gap. But the fact that it has a gap here today has kind of piqued my interest. For a couple different reasons. I mean, number one, on a technical basis, you can see that the stock is gapped up above a descending trend line, which, in and of itself, we call this a pro gap. If traders buy it, somewhere down in this area, kind of waiting for the right time, then all of a sudden it gaps up. They do that, so to speak. So, kind of the average investor kind of misses better trade location. Anyway, that's what we call it, pro gap here at ShadowTrader. So had a gap, broke the trend line, and of course, the reason for the gap, they just had earnings. And, so from a technical basis, gap, trend line break. Fundamental basis, not that we're really fundamental analysts here, but they just approved a annual cash dividend of 38 cents a share, plus the company's board approved a new share repurchase program where they could repurchase up to $3 billion US worth of shares. And now look, over the next 3 years, next 36 months, but still, there's going to be some, share buyback from the company. So look, all that being said, I initiated a small piece here at 25 and a quarter. I will only add more if it takes out today's high tomorrow. My stop will be basically back below the trend line. Like all of a sudden, if the thing just rolls back over, then I'm out. All right, so it's almost like a road trade, right or right out. But if it can hold today's low and then it takes out today's high tomorrow, then I'll add more. The other thing that I do like on a longer term chart, here's a 2-year daily. You can see longer term trend line connecting, these highs up here. That one goes down to about 30. That trend line, like I said, is already broken. So target is right around here. First target is going to be somewhere around 29 to 30 bucks. The other thing that I like about this, as far as a target, you can't see it on this chart, but the 200-day MA is right at $30 as well. All right, that's the target. That's the goal. Again, it could be, obviously a 10 to 20% mover to the upside. If it takes out, today's low at 24.30, I lost about a point. So you're definitely risking, 1.5 to make, maybe 3 or 4. So I like the risk versus reward ratio. So basically, that's what we're doing here in JD.com. All right. Hope it helped. Be well, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.